Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
In the shadow of the Capitol, bronze figures stand frozen in a monument of defiance and hope. This is the Virginia Civil Rights Monument, a powerful tribute to the 1951 student strike at Moton High School, led by 16-year-old Barbara Johns. These students didn't just walk out of the building, they walked into history, sparking a legal battle that would eventually lead to the landmark Brown v. Board of Education decision. The monument doesn't just honor a single event, it honors the collective courage of ordinary people who demanded an extraordinary change. It captures the tension of the era, the weight of the systemic oppression meeting the immovable force of youth and conviction. These figures remind us that the struggle for equality wasn't just fought by distant legends, but by neighbors and children who believed that Virginia could be better. It is a monument to progress, standing as a permanent testament to the power of a single voice. Nearby, a different kind of legacy is cast into bronze. Hunter Holmes McGuire was more than just a surgeon. He was a pioneer of medical ethics and innovation during one of the bloodiest chapters in American history. As a personal physician to Stonewall Jackson, McGuire operated under the most brutal conditions imaginable, yet he never lost sight of the humanity of his patients. He was a founding member of the American Medical Association and a tireless advocate for the professionalization of medicine in the South. This monument honors a man who sought to heal in a time of deep wounding. It reflects an era where Richmond was the medical heart of the nation at war with itself, and where men like McGuire worked to advance science amidst the chaos. His gaze is fixed forward, a reminder of a life dedicated to the precision of the scalpel and the duty of the physician. Finally, we look towards the complex legacy of Thomas Stonewall Jackson. For over a century, his image stood as a cornerstone of Monument Avenue, embodying the lost cause narrative that sought to romanticize the Confederacy. Jackson was a brilliant tactician, known for his eccentricities and his unwavering discipline, but his monument became a lightning rod for the deep-seated division that still ripples through the city today. In recent years, the empty pedestals along the historical boulevard have told a story more powerful than the bronze they once held. The removal of these statues marked a seismic shift in how Richmond chose to remember its past. It is a city reckoning with its own iconography, moving from a static celebration of a fractured history towards a more inclusive and honest reflection of the people who truly built this Commonwealth. The space left behind is not just a void, but a canvas for a new Richmond.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.